Hey guys, I got a question for you. If your boss had a supercar, would you not want to take it out and do donuts and just beat the snot out of it? Right here, I would. Well, this episode, I get to do that, and it is awesome. Not only that, I get a dream come true. Guys, my trailer has been beat. It was not really good when I first got it. Let's just say that. Let's just put that out there. It needs a lot of love in order to get back to being really totally roadworthy. I sought out Texas Pride, and they built the perfect custom trailer for exactly what I need so that we can take not only just one car, but two and possibly three, maybe even four smart cars to an event. Now we can be able to travel across the country and take so much more stuff. At the end of this, I'm going to give you guys a little hint as a huge giveaway, the biggest giveaway that we've ever had on the channel. Hope you guys enjoy the episode. It's kind of a how stuff works type episode, but I totally nerd out on how all this mechanical stuff comes together, and I had so much fun. I hope you guys find it as fun as I did.
We are literally driving through a hurricane in order to make this trip. Look at the flag. It's crazy.
Left to merge onto I-65 south towards Mobile.
As we arrive at Texas Pride, I'm super anxious to see the trailer that they built. But first, we're going to check out the whole process of what my trailer went through just days before.
So, what they say is true. Everything in Texas is bigger. That is a very large lathe. Imagine the stuff that we could do with this thing. Alright, so we're making a bearing and a bushing, and we're taking a 3/4 and going to a 1 16. So let's check that process out here in a minute.
This process is like Texas brisket. Low and slow, but it keeps the bits sharp.
How old is this lathe here?
That's a 1945 Warner Swayze turret.
Like, where do you find something like this here?
Well, this one actually came off an old battleship.
That is really cool. World War II era stuff sitting here, and you said it runs about 10, 12 hours a day. Still kicking really strong every single day. It's so cool.
When I got to take a tour of the facility, I was really blown away at everybody's work ethic. Texas Pride really does say it all, and the fact that these guys do pour in a tremendous amount of pride into their work, and they are incredibly efficient at what they do.
That is a can site for our like the trash dump. Whenever you go to dump it, everything falls to the bottom of the can, and it's easier to dump it out.
Anything from car trailers, dump trailers. You guys got shipping container trailers, which I just saw on the way in. I honestly had no idea that there were that many trailers. What, 50 plus trailers that you guys manufacture?
And we're always adding new product lines. A need for it, we'll start coming up with a way to build what's out there that needs to be built.
All right, Joel, so you were saying this is the shear that you guys have, and this is part of what pretty much everything kind of starts here.
We can shear up to a 12-foot sheet, 1/4 of an inch thick.
That's such quick work right there. I'm in love with the efficiency. Using every bit of that steel right there.
This is a guide plate.
I spotted something here. That is so freaking cool, man. All right, so taking a tour of this facility, I've really kind of nerded out on all the details. Really satisfying watching all this stuff come together and see what it takes in order to make something like this. Now, Joe, we're in the production building here. This is for like the larger trailers.
Well, this particular bay is the one, the bay that built your trailer.
So we're checking out a 5-car and a 7-car trailer here, and I'm just blown away at the magnitude of it and like what goes into it. But kind of like we said a little earlier, Texas MIG. Way bigger, and it's so cool just seeing all the little definitely super quality. That is beautiful. Right here, this is quality control.
Every trailer that gets manufactured will come through here. Once it comes in here, they're going to check to make sure all the lights are working, all the brakes work properly, all the DOT chains are on, the stickers are on. They're going to torque the wheels and make sure they're all torqued to spec for DOT. Make sure that nothing's been missed, that it's painted well. and everything is on it that it was on the work order to be built, whether it's what type of hitch it is, what kind of ramp go in it. Everything gets final checked here before it ever leaves.
All right, so that fella right there is getting ready to get painted. And over here, Joel, you just told me that this is the largest paint facility in the nation.
Yes, sir. Building trailers. We have 6 paint bays. Each paint bay is 60 feet long, and then behind the paint bay is a dry bay that's 60 foot long. The air handlers move 80,000 cubic feet of air per minute just to maintain and filter the overspray from the paint.
Everything's bigger in Texas thing keeps coming back here.
Now, I've never seen a saw like this, nor did I think that you could cut over 50 pieces of angle accurately at one time. So this thing has an oil injection system on it that lubes the blade instead of a cooling system. Now, they said that that keeps it a heck of a lot cleaner, and it makes it easier to work with after the fact.
And we repeat the process. Dude, look at that unit. That's the final piece right there. All right, fellas, so I am so ridiculously excited. I have not even seen this trailer yet. Everything is led up to this, and I gave these guys an idea of exactly the perfect custom trailer of what I wanted to have and what would work perfectly for us, because so now we'll be able to take multiple cars to multiple events. It's going to be so rad. I haven't seen this thing yet, but we're about to go check it out like right now. You guys saw that we went through a hurricane on the way to get here. This has been quite a mission. It's been a really, really cool trip. Being able to see how everything is produced, this has been a really, really awesome experience. My heart's totally pumping. I can't wait to see this trailer. All right, guys, I can't wait to see this. Oh, dude, that is so nice, dude. Oh, that is nice. That is so much nicer than I ever would have expected to. Oh my gosh, dude, seriously. That is awesome, man. You guys seriously knocked it out. That is so cool.
This is definitely one of a kind.
Oh my gosh, man.
Our bumper pull 2-car hauler here at Texas Pride Trailers. And we're going to go over a couple of features that you added on this trailer here. You opted to go with a spindle hitch. This trailer will be rated for 30,000 GVW.
Oh, wow.
Wow. As a 2-car hauler, this is one of the heaviest duty bumper pull 2-car haulers that we have built. So this is a custom build and a first for Texas.
Oh man, that's so cool.
Drive, and we like the competition.
I love the color. This blue looks so much better in person than even the videos that I had seen.
I am a big fan of blue. Blue's my favorite color. This is BFI blue. And with the Alcoa wheels, it really looks excellent.
Oh my gosh, dude, this is so nice.
Drive over fenders. We have the perforated floor. The holes in the floors is for the soft tie system so that you are allowed to tie wheel straps down on the car.
I really like that.
On this deck. We did the custom 4-foot plate for you, still stuck with the perforated floor.
Yes.
So we did the front, the middle, the back.
I wanted to be able to put something so that if we have a car and we pull it up here, when you're laying in between to strap the car down, some of our cars have a little weird spot to strap down. You can lay in there and not have a problem. Or if we needed to work on it and you're standing in front of the car and the hood's popped up right here, you're not having to straddle that open spot. There was a lot of thought put into this, and these guys took it a whole nother level for sure.
Those are direct lube axles.
Dude, that is so nice. Oh my gosh, dude.
This axle here, we only offer here at Texas Pride. We take pride in it. The axle that you chose will give you a brake shoe of 12-inch 3 3/8. So you have a better stopping power on a bigger axle for a 30,000 GVWR trailer. Wow. So this is not your standard 2-inch brake shoe on here.
What you guys did with the wheels, you make it no choice. I have to upgrade my truck now. Those are nicer than what I got on my truck, dude.
I got you. 17.5 alloy custom aluminum wheels from Alcoa.
Oh my gosh,
They've become very popular. This is a 17.5 18-ply J-rated tire. Each one of these tires is rated to hold 6,000 pounds apiece. So that far exceeds anything that you will ever probably have on this trailer.
I agree.
Still have your D-rings just in case you need those for tie downs.
Oh, there it is. Hell yeah.
We were waiting to get to the logo.
That is awesome.
We are very, very proud to be able to serve you.
Dude, thank you. Thank you so much. That is cool.
This trailer comes equipped with aluminum ramps. We do offer steel ramps. We chose aluminum ramps, which a lot of customers do. You had some smart cars.
Yeah.
You understand the wheelbase is not
really
so
tiny.
You can move them, they can be adjusted in to get you smart. You have LED lights as standard on all of our trailers. This trailer comes equipped with LED lights. So you have multiple tie down points on this trailer, so you should be covered with whatever you put on here.
I think the foresight of what you guys had is great, because given that it's an open trailer, kind of used to just throwing a whole bunch of junk in my enclosed trailer, this is giving me so much more options. I was like, well, I need to be able to take a bunch of wheels. We have an area to tie them down, a bunch of fastening points. I think that that's brilliant.
Yes, sir. This is a one-of-a-kind Texas Pride build, and we are excited about it.
100%, it's beautiful. Never even had a wheel that looks that good. It's so awesome.
The Alcoa wheels are extremely nice. And you have the two 12,000-pound jacks on the bumper pull. We do that on the 30,000 GVWR trailers. Your toolbox here.
Oh my gosh,
some
look
wheel
at that.
straps here, which I mentioned to you earlier,
Oh.
just in case you needed to pick something up on the way home. Not the Demon now.
Wow, oh man.
It's beautiful.
It really is. It's
awesome. I'm gonna be recruiting this young man as a welder to help us build it for the Texas Pride trailer.
I love the custom stuff of what we've done. I love the color. Love the wheels. Super pumped. I mean, it's everything and more. And Laz is going to be super pumped because drive over fenders, that's something that's a big deal too. Some of our cars are wide, but his Jeep in particular is very large, and he was looking to do something with it. 102 inches wide. That's wild. Can work on a car right here. However, if we need to get to the bottom, we didn't want to have the whole thing covered either. So I figured it's the best of both worlds. And I mean, I cannot tell you how much of a blessing this is. It is incredible.
Well, I'm glad you like it. We're here at Texas Pride. We're happy you like it, and hopefully we met all expectations that we strive to offer here at Texas Pride.
It is awesome. It's, God, it's beautiful. I can't get over it, man. That's so cool. It's so big. Wow, is it ever? It's just gigantic.
Now, the last 6 foot of this trailer tapers. They often ask, what does the +6 mean?
Mm-hmm.
That is what the +6 is, to give you a lower clearance to help get your cars on without bottoming out. You'll have 38 foot of actual space to put cars on this trailer. Everybody has a hand in this trailer.
And I was like, you know, blue is one of our company colors. Blue would be a lot nicer, and especially if you're in the sun and you're strapping the car down. Man, I think blue is going to hold a little less heat, but just the look in general is just so much better than I ever expected.
And if we can help you out here at Texas Pride again, please give us the opportunity.
Absolutely, man. This is amazing. And thank you. Again, thank you so very much.
It's a pleasure meeting you, Jeremy, and we definitely appreciate the business.
First time. Oh, that's gonna be wild. Look at that. That's the big boy right there. Oh, that is nice. I think he likes it.
See? He definitely does.
And now comes the most fun part. So this is the owner of Texas Pride's car, and I cannot believe he let me just do this.
So driven on the mower. I was just hazing the tires there too. That's just like walking in and like giving about 70% throttle. I mean, for a big girl, she moves. Definitely got to hand it to them. They did some cool stuff that people hadn't done before. Really like the AC deal. And check this out, you can actually go in the SRT mode. You hit this little mode and you go drag mode, and it says it gives you your power. It's like 808 horsepower, drag transmission, drag traction, drag suspension, all AC diverted to enhance intercooler performance. We're putting all of that AC straight through our intercooler so that we got optimal cooling.
I got you.
That trans feels awesome though. Like, this is how I would tune a trans. Let's just get up here. definitely warm now.
That Dodge Demon is definitely the most powerful car that I've ever driven in bone stock form. Now, the biggest announcement here is that Texas Pride is wanting to give away a trailer in the month of October to you guys. A very similar build to what I have. A bumper pulled 2-car trailer, 16K, perforated floors, blue, aluminum ramps, 30+6. That is the biggest giveaway that we've ever taken part in. That is absolutely amazing and such a tremendous thing that you guys can win. That contest opens up October 2nd, so mark that date. The drawing will be October 30th. If you guys want to enter into that, check out texaspride.com trailer giveaway. Go to that page and check out what you have to do to be able to enter that. Very simple. Guys, this is a trailer that is valued at over $10,000. And the best part is that it's completely free. Check it out. Crazy times like this, that's what we're doing, is we are adapting and overcoming, and it's not something that's just car related. So guys, please check out that link in the description below. Uncle Sam, coming fresh off his LS Fest burnout victory, I wanted to share with you guys this image right here. We're going to be producing this in a 20x30 poster, of which you can pre-order here and now, and all the guys in the shop are going to sign it. So check that out. That is going to be something very special that we'll offer, and it is a very, very limited production. We are putting that on pre-order right now, and those will ship in probably about 2 weeks. Thank you guys so much for your support, because without it, we wouldn't be able to do this stupid stuff that we do. All right, guys, in closing, I wanted to leave you with 2 songs that I highly recommend. And one will totally amp you up, and the other one just helps you reflect on how blessed you really are. First one is going to be Genocide by Offspring, and the next one is going to be Blessed by Thomas Rhett. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you next episode.
Pops. Somebody put the bourbon tin in that.